Title: Big Pharma goes fishing. Novartis reels in Chinook Therapeutics in a $3.2 billion splash. TLDR. In the latest episode of the Big Pharma saga, Novartis lays down a cool $3.2 billion for Chinook Therapeutics. Two of Chinook's kidney disease treatments in late-stage clinical trials proved irresistible. And, don't forget the sweeteners, a bonus $300 million based on hitting certain regulatory marks. Novartis, that crafty titan of the pharmaceutical world, made a Monday surprise with its announcement to snatch up Seattle-based Chinook Therapeutics. How much is Novartis willing to dish out? A casual $3.2 billion. But hey, who's counting when you've got the chance to net some promising drugs for chronic kidney disease? This epic deal values Chinook at a staggering $40 per share. If you've been keeping score, that's quite the jump from Friday's closing price of under $24. Now, that's what we call a nice catch. But wait, there's more. An additional $300 million bonus is on the table if Chinook manages to ace certain regulatory milestones. So, the stakes just got a bit higher, didn't they? What's the timeline on this pharma version of Monopoly? Novartis expects to wrap this up in the second half of 2023. It's like waiting for your favorite band's new album to drop. Except here, the album is a potentially game-changing kidney disease therapy. This acquisition gives Novartis a sizable addition to its burgeoning biopharma portfolio, and it's not the only one. We've seen a steady return of biopharma deals this year. It's almost like the industry's version of The Bachelor, isn't it? But the question is, who will get the final rose? With Novartis' acquisition of Chinook, are we witnessing a new strategy for the pharmaceutical industry? Is it simpler to buy out a company developing promising treatments rather than going through the painstaking process of research and development themselves? After all, we know time is money, especially in an industry where patents expire and generics can swoop in. But is it a sustainable model, or will it ultimately lead to a high-stakes game of pharma musical chairs where the music could stop at any time? For our final zinger, we must remind you, folks, that this isn't investment advice, as much as it sounds like it. It's a friendly recap of a hot topic, so don't go selling your grandma's heirlooms to invest in pharma stocks. So, what's your take on this power move by Novartis? Will it pay off or come back to haunt them in the unpredictable game of pharmaceutical industry roulette? And, how will this impact the future of biopharma deals and the medical field as a whole?